Day 24, the magic wand. Have you ever wished you had a magic wand so that you could just wave your wand and help the people you love? Well, today's magical practice will show you how you can use your life's real magic wand to help others. When you fervently want to help another person, you have immense power. But when you take that power with gratitude, you really do have the magic wand that can help people you care about. Energy flows where your attention goes. And so when you direct the energy of gratitude towards another person's needs, that's where the energy goes. That is the reason why Jesus said, "Thank you for you performed a miracle." Gratitude is an invisible force, but invisible but real force of energy, and coupled with the energy of your desire, just like having a magic wand. People who wait for magic wand fail to see they are the magic wand. Thomas Leonard, personal development coach, 1955 2003. If you have a family member, friend, or anyone you care about who is lacking physical health, in financial trouble, unhappy in their work, stressed, suffering because relationship has ended, lost confidence in himself, suffering from mental problems, or feeling down about their life, you can use the invisible force of gratitude to help them with their health, wealth, and happiness. To wave your magic wand for another's health, imagine that this person's health has been fully restored. Say the magic word "thank you" in heartfelt celebrations of receiving the news that he or she is full of health again. You could imagine the person calling you to give you the news, or imagine that you telling in person. Really see that, feel your reaction. When you can feel as grateful now as you would when you heard the news that the person's health has been fully restored, I guarantee you that the gratitude you see is as sincere and as powerful as it can be. To wave your magic wand to help someone you love with their wealth, follow the same magic principle and be as grateful as if they had the wealth they needed right now. Imagine their wealth has been fully restored. It is done and you're saying the magic words "thank you" because you have just received the amazing news. If a person you know is going through a tough time but you don't know what specifically they need, or they need help or more than area, then you can follow the same magical principle and wave your magic wand by giving thanks to their happiness or their health, wealth, and happiness together. To choose three people you care about who are currently in need of health, wealth, or happiness, or all three. Give a photograph of each person if you have, and keep the photographs in front of you while you doing this practice. Take the first person, hold your photograph in your hand, and then close your eyes, and for 1 minute visualize yourself receiving the news that the person is fully restored with whatever they need. It is much easier to visualize yourself receiving the news than it is to visualize, for example, an ill person healthy again, or a depressed person happy again, or a financially stressed person abundant again. You'll feel more excitement and gratitude if you involve yourself in your visualization. Open your eyes with the photograph still in hand, say the magic word "thank you" slowly 3 times for that person's health, wealth, or happiness, or whatever combination they need. Thank you, thank you, thank you for name, health, wealth, or happiness. As you finish with one person, move on to the next person and follow the same 2 steps until you finish the magic wand. Practice by sending health, wealth, or happiness to all three people. Use this powerful practice when you're walking down the street or going throughout the day. You come across someone who is obviously lacking happiness, wealth, or wealth. In a magic word and in your mind, wave it by giving a heartful thanks for the health, wealth, and happiness, and that you have set a real force of energy into motion. Use gratitude to help someone else with this or his health, wealth, and happiness in the single greatest act of gratitude you can perform. And one of the magic things about this is your health, wealth, and happiness you fervently wish for others, you also bring to yourself. Magic practice number 24, the magic wand. First, count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say "thank you, thank you, thank you," and feel grateful for the blessing as you can. Second, choose three people you care about and who would like to help with more health, wealth, happiness, or all three. 3. If you have them, collect a photograph of each of these people and keep in front of you while doing the magical wand exercise. Take one person at a time and hold your photograph in your hand. Close your eyes for 1 minute and visualize the person's health, wealth, or happiness when fully restored and you have received the news. 5th, open your eyes with the paragraph still in your hand. Say the magic word slowly. "Thank you, thank you, thank you" for dash person's name of the person, health, wealth, or happiness. As you finish with one person, move on to the next person and follow the same 2 steps until you finish the magic wand practice for all three persons. 7. Just you go through sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic word "thank you" for the best thing that happened during the day. Thank you so much.